This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. What if just one spoon of seeds could deliver more nutrition than an entire bowl of salad? But here's the real question most people never ask. Are all seeds actually equal? Or are you wasting your time eating the wrong ones? Welcome back to the Mindhunters. In this episode, we're not just listing healthy seeds, we're answering a much more important question. Which seeds deliver the maximum nutrients per spoon, meaning the highest concentration of essential fats, minerals, and fiber in the smallest serving? And by the end, you'll know exactly which seeds deserve a daily spot in your diet and how to actually use them for real benefits. Before comparing seeds, we need to understand one key concept: nutrient density. This is not about which seed is healthy, this is about efficiency and how much nutrition are you getting per tablespoon. We'll focus on 4 major factors, including healthy fats, minerals, fiber content, and bioactive compounds like lignans and antioxidants. So, stay with us for the final verdict. First up, chia seeds, the hydration and omega-3 powerhouse. Chia seeds are often called a superfood, and in many ways, they deserve that reputation. Just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds delivers a powerful combination of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and minerals like calcium and magnesium. What makes chia unique is its ability to absorb water and form a gel-like structure. This slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and keeps you full for longer. From a nutrient per spoon perspective, chia seeds are one of the richest sources of fiber you can consume in such a small quantity. But here's something most people miss. Chia seeds are great for digestion and satiety, but their omega-3s are in the form of ALA, which the body converts inefficiently into active forms. So while they're excellent, they're not the complete solution. Remember, never to consume chia seeds dry, as they can expand and cause digestive discomfort. Next up, flax seeds, the hormonal and heart health champion. Flax seeds are where things get very interesting, because per spoon, flax seeds are one of the richest sources of lignans, a type of plant compound linked to hormone balance. They are also extremely high in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. In fact, gram for gram, flax seeds often outperform chia in terms of lignan content. But here's the catch. Whole flax seeds pass through your digestive system almost unchanged, which means if you're eating them whole, you're missing most of the benefits. Always use freshly ground flax seeds. 1 tablespoon per day is ideal. Next on the list are pumpkin seeds, the mineral-dense king. If we talk strictly about mineral density per spoon, pumpkin seeds are extremely hard to beat. They are loaded with magnesium, zinc, iron, and even plant-based protein. Zinc, in particular, plays a key role in immune function, testosterone production, and wound healing. This is where pumpkin seeds stand out. They are not just a healthy snack. They are one of the most concentrated sources of essential minerals in the seed category. Consume 1 to 2 tablespoons daily, preferably soaked or lightly roasted. And last, sunflower seeds, the vitamin defender. Sunflower seeds bring something very different to the table. They are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from oxidative damage. This is especially important for skin health, immune function, and reducing chronic inflammation. They also provide healthy fats, selenium, and magnesium, making them a strong all-rounder. But here's the nuance most people miss. Sunflower seeds are higher in omega-6 fatty acids. While omega-6 is essential, excessive intake without balancing omega-3s can promote inflammation over time. 1 tablespoon a few times per week is enough to get benefits. So, which one wins? Here's the truth most videos won't tell you. There is no single best seed, because each one dominates in a different category. So instead of choosing one, the smartest approach is rotation or combination. A practical, science-backed approach is simple. 1 tablespoon of mixed seeds daily. This gives you a balanced profile of fiber, healthy fats, antioxidants, and minerals in just 1 serving. Now we want to know, which seed do you consume daily? And did it make the list? Tell us in the comments. And if you want more science-backed nutrition insights like this, make sure to subscribe to the Mindhunters. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next episode.